Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Greenworks brand, their 24-volt cordless heat gun hot air toolkit with a brushless motor inside, so you know it's going to last forever, 2 amp hour battery and charger, and you could get maximum temperatures of 1081 degrees Fahrenheit. It has 3 nozzles that you see right here that are included. This one just steps it down to a small little tip to increase temperature. This is a diffuser module nozzle that will reflect the air back. We're going to show how to use that. Then this also is a concentrated nozzle with a little slot on the back. Here's the unit itself, and we're going to show all the operations of the trigger on here, how to use it and how to put these on. Here's the actual battery, the 24-volt battery. It has a little button on there we're going to show that shows you the status. Here is the charger for that battery, and here's the charger that you plug into your 120 volts with a US plug on there. It does come with 3 manuals on here. So this heat gun is obviously portable over anywhere, and it's convenient to use in different environments. It's compact design for fitting into tight places. You could stand the heat gun upright to free your hands, just like I'm showing it right there. This heats up really fast to about over 1000 degrees in basically 9 seconds or so. And we're going to demonstrate. This is ideal for shrink wrapping electronic connections, bending PVC, drying paints, paint removal, electronic repair, just anywhere you want to use it. You can even use this if you're doing some desserts that have to have the top round. This will work quite nicely for doing that also. Now this does have internally a brushless motor, which gives you about 20% more power and longer lifetime. There's no contacts on this motor. This is the newer technology, what you're seeing in a lot of electric cars, and it just will last longer. It has a quieter operation. You should get about 18 minutes of use of this, and that battery will provide a nice increase in runtime of about 35%. That'll give you that 18 minutes. There's a safety lock-off trigger preventing accidental start, and we're going to show that. And there is an LED that's pretty bright that will light up your work area so that you can see what you're doing. And really important, this company does have a 3-year warranty, so that you don't have to worry about any issues with manufacturing of this. It'll be a 3-year warranty from the company Greenworks. After you plug in the transformer or the AC/DC adapter, here is the charger itself, and this slides in just like that, and you can set it on a table and just let it go ahead and charge. And what you see here, there is a green light right there. Now you can see it's steady because it's fully charged. When it is blinking, it will let you know that it is charging. And there's a little indication right there that explains everything. If it's red, it means the battery is defective, blinking, so that you know to get a new battery. But all the status information is written there, and you can see it in the LED. Then this just slides off, and it's ready to use. Now you notice on here it has this cool little button right here. You push, you hold that down, and it shows the status of the LED right there, and there it's showing the green 3, that it is fully charged. Now there is a little step right here that you push, and that removes, or that drops that piece down like that to allow it to go to the device itself. So let's show that right here. I'm just going to line that up and slide that forward just like that. And then it locks it in place so it can't move. On the unit itself, it has this cool little holder that allows you to hang this from the wall, just like that. Or you can put it in this mode like that, and it locks in place. You can hang it like that also. That's a nice little touch if you want to hang it up. And I think it looks really cool the way it looks. Now you'll notice on here there is this rotating piece right here. And what that's doing, that's ejecting the nozzles. So the nozzles are just friction fit right on there just like that. And then if you rotate this, it just ejects them for you. That's simple. So let's put that back on. Let's show you the operation right here. So if you go to press this, nothing happens. That's a safety. So either one of these sides, the left side or the right side, you push in, and then you pull the trigger, and it starts. And then you release it, and it'll continue going because it'll cool down the coils, and then it shuts off automatically. Now let's eject this tip again. And let's show you what it looks like in the front. I'm going to push that button right there. There's the LED. Now you can see it's glowing red, and it's making heat right towards the camera, and actually it's making heat right towards my face. And then you shut it off, and it cools down, and it blinks the LED letting you know that it is cooling down. That's the whole basic operation, and you notice it's really quiet also. Now a lot of times when you're using this to have heat shrink shrunk on an electrical connection, you end up heating the other connections when you're not ready to shrink them. So that's what this attachment's for. So like here's an example. Here's two wires. I want to shrink this one and not this one. So I can put that in here like that, and then now I'm shrinking that one, but I'm not shrinking the back one. So that shield is nice to protect anything that you want from behind like that. And then the back one is not shrunk until I'm ready to actually do a heat shrink on it. That's pretty cool. Another application is for drying paint. You go to paint something, like here's an example. And it just dries it really fast. And that nozzle does a great job of diffusing the hot air to be a nice linear section of air, hot air, really nice. Another nice application is if you're trying to remove paint off of anything. Here's just an example. Here's a painted piece of plastic that has some latex paint on there. You can let it heat up. Here so you could melting the plastic, but look what it does. It just totally allows the paint to come off. So that's a nice, quick, and safe way to remove paint off a piece of furniture. Now another application is you got PVC pipe and you want to bend it. Sometimes you want to make a custom shape. So here's an example. Let's try it. Then it makes it totally pliable so that you can then hold it in place while it cools off. And then you can make whatever shape that you want. For custom shaping of any plastic, not just PVC, any plastic will melt, and because it's a real controlled temperature on here and real even, then you can end up with any shape that you want, and you can use that for your particular application. Another great application for a heat gun like this is sometimes when you're going to solder a copper pipe, you put the soldering paste acid on there, then you hit it with your torch, and you notice that it burns up really fast and you can't get a good connection. Well, here I'm going to use the Greenworks first. I'm going to heat it up, then I could use my torch to do the final work on it. Now what that did is it's getting it nice and hot to about 300 or 400 degrees, and now you can go with your torch and you're going to see that all the oxidation that you normally get is not going to happen. So you're going to be easily able to solder that connection with your torch. Now one of the nice things about that eject function is this is very hot to handle, and by using that eject function you then can remove that and then put the next tool in there without burning your hand. Really clever. So I've tested this now on a couple different things, applications that I showed you that I've done. And there's a lot of other applications for this that I'm not going to demonstrate, but you get the idea how nice this is to have cordless heat gun functionality. Really unique. And this is a really good product. I think this is going to help you in your shop. It's going to help me in my shop. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.